Welcome to Ruchi Unboxes with Bajaj Electricals on Rajshri Food. I'm really excited to open this multifunction cooker. So let's see what we have in here. This Bajaj multifunction cooker is packed with features. And I love the brick red color. It complements my kitchen so well. It has two bowls of 1.8 litre capacity each so that you don't have to empty the contents while you're cooking another dish. The keep warm function here keeps the food warm and ready to eat. The detachable power cord gives you an option to take the entire cooker to the dinner table. And to make cooking more convenient, it comes with a measuring cup and spatula. So now let's get on with the recipe. So, I'm making brown rice pulao today. What I love most about this recipe is that it's simple and made with ingredients easily available at home. I'm using a Bajaj induction cooker. It comes with preset menus, which is a dream come true for every modern home chef. Let's turn this on. Going to start with heating some ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add some shredded onions. These are 2 shredded onions. Let these onions caramelize. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. The onions have caramelized and now I'm going to turn off the induction. Two tablespoons of cashew nuts. Also the seasoning ingredients: 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon Shahi Biryani masala, or you can even use garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander and cumin seed powder, 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and coriander leaves. Let's mix all this nicely. Done mixing all of this, and now time to use the star of the recipe, the Bajaj multifunction cooker. I'm using 1 cup of brown rice, which is a healthier replacement to white rice as it's unpolished. So, the vitamins and the dietary minerals are intact. This is washed and soaked for half an hour. Next, some chopped carrots, 1 chopped potato, 1 tomato de-seeded and finely chopped, few florets of cauliflower, 1/4 cup green peas, 1/4 cup chopped French beans. Next, the onion and the coconut mixture. Next, add in 2.5 cups of water. One tablespoon of ghee and salt to taste. Give this a stir. Let's cover it, switch it on and put it on cook mode. This takes around 25 to 30 minutes, but you don't need to worry about it, as the automatic cooking function will switch to warm as soon as the rice is done. The indicator is on warm, that means the rice is done. Let's open it. Smells delicious. And now I'm going to plate it. And now I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of paneer. And this is ready. So, as you just saw, I did not pay any attention to the rice while it was in the cooker. And I had more spare time to do things that I equally enjoy. The right appliances make life so comfortable. And now, contest time. If you wish to have a Bajaj product in your kitchen anytime soon, answer this question. What dishes would you make in a multifunction cooker other than rice? Put your thoughts together and leave your answers in the comment section below, and out of all the entries, we will choose 3 lucky winners. So, think, and I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.